You want to get this from Lidl, we got this from Lidl, the online shop. Hello lovely people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very good today. Welcome back to my channel, TV. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you're an channel subscriber, thank you so much. Today I bring to you an unboxing that you will really love. This unboxing, this is called Alphabet Modeling Dough Kit. We're going to be unboxing this. There's one double sized dough mat and 26 alphabet stamps. So we're going to be opening this to see what is inside. There are 35 pieces sets, but it say it's for 3 years and above. It's from Playtive, as you can see, and it helps children develop creativity and fine motor skills. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go in and see what we have here. In the course of the video, if you love the content, do not forget to like the video. Okay, like the video, leave a comment. Do you have something like this? Do you think there are so many other things you could do with this, or is it just what I'm showing you? Okay, so let's go into these are the alphabet sheets. You have the alphabet sheet. Okay, so each letter with what it stands for or what it could represent, and behind here we also have the plain letters and the plain board. So but let's go in to show you what we have in here. Okay, this is what we have in. So this is the size. This is the yellow color, the size. Okay, so let's go in to see. It's a yellow. Okay, and it's the size. What we have in here, green. Okay, so I'm going to, this is what we have here. So let's bring them all out. So this is like the rolling pin which you use to roll the dough. Okay, and oh, here are the alphabet sets. Here are the alphabet sets and the dough. Okay, purple, orange, and blue. So in total we have 6 colors. 6 colors. A little ball, which I don't really know what to do with this ball, but this is the knife, and this is like for rolling. Once you place the dough on the floor, you're going to roll it. I will make a video to show you when the kids come back and start playing with it. I don't want to make a mess here now. So they would roll it out. But here we'll have the letter board, and this is the pattern of what we have in here. We have the alphabet set. Okay, we have the alphabet set. We got this into here. We got this from Lidl. In case you want to get this from Lidl, we got this from Lidl, the online shop. Okay, this was gotten at 12 euro. Okay, in case you're in another country, you know the equivalent of this 12 euro, and you have the Lidl app, you can go there and order this. Order this online. So let me go in to open these alphabets to see what they are like. Okay, let's go on to see. I have this alphabet stamps from A to Z. Okay, from A to Z. Let's experiment with this color blue here. Okay, let's say we are having, let's take, we could use this. Okay, to get a portion get a portion of the glue. You have to cover it immediately because once you leave it, the dough hardens in a short period of time if it's exposed to air. So once you're not in use, you could cover it. Okay, sorry, I'm using a hand to hold my phone. And then having rolled this out, let's experiment to stamp this letter M on it. Okay, so let's go with stamp it, and here we have letter M. Okay, I have letter M, and M here is for monster. So I think your kids can use this. So there's a lot of letters here. Okay, it's all I have with this. You could see the Playtive Alphabet Modeling Dough Kit with 35 pieces sets, 26 alphabet stamps, and 1 double-sized Play-Doh mat. This is the mat. It has a mat, alphabet stamps, the knife, the rolling pin, 6 colors, and a little ball. Okay, and a little green ball. Okay, all I have for you concerning this video is going to help the kids to be creative. Going to help them to stay out of the screen, the TV, for a long time, because we're going to engage them. If they're not making the alphabet stamps, they are creating with a lot of models and shapes or animals, model shapes that you have at home. Okay, you could also buy these shapes of animals from the store and help them to play with this. You could also form animals with several colors. Okay, you can create anything of your choice with this. It helps them to develop creativity and fine motoric skills. Until my next video, if you love this video, don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so. Until my next one, I'll see you then. Bye.